Dreaming of Ivory Coast but worried about your budget? Don't be. Here's how to explore this beautiful country without breaking the bank. A backpacker can manage on just $25 a day, while mid-range travelers spend around $45 a day. A tasty local meal costs about $3, and a budget hotel starts near $8 per night. Stay smart. Choose hostels, guesthouses, or even camping spots. Options range from $5 to $35 a night, and you'll find welcoming places across Abidjan and beyond. Eat like a local. Street food such as alico or grilled skewers costs only $1 to $3. Hop on a public bus for just $0.25 or share a taxi for under $2. Even longer trips between cities rarely exceed $15. The best experiences are often free. Relax on Grand Bassam Beach, wander colonial towns, or enjoy street music. Bring some cash in CFA francs, use ATMs in cities, and avoid street changers. $1 equals about 600 CFA. Keep small bills handy and cards for bigger purchases. Ready to explore Ivory Coast affordably? Apply for your e-visa online and start your budget-friendly adventure today.